POV, you are headed to a unique hidden gem in Canberra. Cross the road near exit on you can see Canberra Plaza. Cross the zebra crossing and continue straight. Continue all the way down the sheltered path until you reach a X junction. Cross the road and continue straight. Continue down this sheltered path until you see a small staircase just before the bus stop. At block 1 to 9A, go up to level 6. Look for the ugly wood combination at the door. Attend interesting beginner woodworking workshops with your friends and family here at this hidden gem. Start your crafting journey here and have fun.